This video was digitized from a reel of 8mm film. Didn't have any markings on it, but the manufacture date on the Kodak film was 1962. So it's in that time frame, either 1962 or 63. And it's of predominantly of the USS Boxer LPH-4. And it starts off here. There's a Sikorsky CH-37 Mojave. Then we get into some helo ops with some Marine Sikorsky H-34 helicopters. Boxer was originally commissioned in 1944 as a Essex class aircraft carrier and was a CV-21, but she was later converted to a landing platform helicopter ship, an LPH, and that's why you just see helicopters taking off, landing on her, and not aircraft. Here you see a H-34 bringing over supplies, which is referred to as a VERT-REP, or vertical replenishment. This is the US Constellation aircraft carrier, CV-64, and it was just commissioned in 1961. So this is probably going out on its sea trials, or one of its first pre-deployment workups. And this is off of somewhere off of Norfolk, Virginia, since these carriers were home ported there in Norfolk. Constellation was a Kitty Hawk class supercarrier, and it's just interesting to note during her construction at New York Naval Shipyard, she was in her final stages of construction when she caught fire, and it actually held up her commissioning by 7 months. And we have some more Sikorsky H-34 helicopters taking off. Not sure if this is the Constellation battle group or another battle group, because there's several aircraft carriers that were stationed out of Norfolk, and at this time frame, as I think there is still today. And so you'll see they're starting to form up here, and you'll see as this video goes on that they'll all be steaming out to sea. Here's a nice shot of one of those CH-37 helicopters taking off. And here you can see, as I mentioned earlier, this carrier battle group heading out to sea and on maneuvers. I'm not too sure what type of what class of destroyer this is. Obviously, I can't make out the whole number. If it's a Forrest Sherman or a Charles F. Adams class, DDG. I'm not I spent my career in the Coast Guard, so I'll let the Navy folks comment on it. There's always maintenance to do and keeping the helicopter clean. Yeah, I thought it was interesting that from this angle you could see one of the anti-aircraft guns here on Boxer, right there to the right side of the helicopter. And this could be that destroyer that was just pictured. It's I know this is the USS Lawrence DDG-4, and she's getting ready to. Looks like she's getting ready to do some unrepping with Boxer. I hope you enjoyed this piece of history and uh, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more military and patriotic videos, which I try to upload every other day on my site. And if you're interested in a good read, check out my books at www.edsemler.com.